Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the AFCON qualifiers. Bafana 5, Congo 0. I'm joined by the only fan with a PhD. It's Tommy.
Teboho, oh grand Meauti. Always a pleasure talking to you.
Exactly, my brother.
Yeah,
Likewise.
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 Ne re shebeletse kgwele ya dinao ya Congo Brazzaville e dlala le Bafana ba ga Hugo Broos. Meauti, do not be surprised I bona ke apere skipa sa bo sofa sonke mpanza. It's not a mistake. It's a handle ro dlala Bafana. And notice gore ne ke tla hlola gore ke se thole ho ba jwang ba ke se apare skipa sa Bafana. We are still celebrating MTN 8.
Oh,
yeah, we are still celebrating MTN 8 and re ka se tshabe bua ka o are wa tse wa rapele ke boroko. I think the whole month will be celebrating that. One might be saying ke ba tseba ke re this dilatalatas Baba sa understanding or teaming a more than 20 years or 10 years, it's a winning cup. So you'd really understand that we've got all the rights to celebrate this cup.
Yes.
It's our birthday month as far as MTN is concerned.
Okay.
I almost went to the shop today, go pick and pay. And as I was about to buy MTN airtime ya ka gcina ke change ke tshaba ke nana ka re batho ba tla re ke a qhoma ke se ke na le MTN. Wa bona kana ka re ke rekela Vodacom le yona kana re batla re ka re ke Vodafone what but anyway Meauti, oh what a beautiful game Meauti. Straight from MTN 8. I had the opportunity again
to do what?
To talk to Relebogile's Mofokeng's mother. And yeah, and really thank her for the gift. Oh, what a talent. The 19-year-old, 29-year-old ka football brain and age.
Yes.
What's it? Wakile ka raka mo khwata. Ara wena wa ntloela wena. Ha ke rona hana ka tselile ke re lebogile drubile batho a shapela ka ntle so. But anyway, we were okay, and I really thank her womb for carrying such a talent. And on behalf of all South African fans, as the president of all fans in the world, I'd like to thank her on the camera.
Thank
Hugo Broos, I think one of the best coaches that we've ever had in the past 3 or 2 decades. After Clive Barker. I mean, you find a coach who comes from Europe and believes in your own local talent. And not only did he play local talent, but he really understands how they play. I mean, he allows he allows Themba Mshishizwane to play football the way he knows how to. He allows Grant Kekani to shape up.
Yes.
He allows Ronwen Williams to have the ball and start playing from the back. I mean, if we've got a top coach in Hugo Broos who then allows in our football, I told you, Teboho, you'll never be more Europeans than Europeans themselves. And this guy has studied South Africans and studied how we play. I think we are one of the most gifted nations in the world as far as football is concerned. The unfortunate part is we try to be more Europeans than Europeans. Our football, we don't rely on strength. We understand our strength is only to protect the ball. We appreciate the pitch. Talk about Mokoena. Apparently, he's worth around 10% a billion.
100 meter.
Yes, I mean, he huna le mo oswina police atlanka ball am trapper. Okay, pasa ka trapping. Pela bolo ele was intentional. Ha motla a swone police atlaka yona. We theula ka we kuka hanyane ka trapping, and then he kills with sang full lace. You me invite but again ushapa $1 million corner uyetsang again. He wins ki corner e koranka header again, or is it a cross? Mokoena iki header ufa ka header, both foot and a header, and I think I will not shy away. Whatsoever there will always be a lot of controversy. Sheba hako rada hurwetsang. The celebration for me with my PhD in Jotsa Handlori was sending a message to someone. I don't know who's coaching Mamelodi Sundowns, but he was really sending a message. I mean, he hardly celebrates like that. and you need a PhD analysis to understand such. I mean, it was intentional. It was no one. The celebration is intended to someone.
Manqoba Mngqithi.
I don't know who's coaching there, but whoever is coaching was intended. The message was intended to him.
Steve Kompela.
Or you cannot deny me a play in local football while I'm playing international football. Kikora 2 goals while I'm not even a striker.
Yes.
Again, Kibuaka play and collect the ball from Komorao. I mean, come on, Fate, come on. Quality after quality. It's Ankanako, Bashapa piano, what's already DJ Mapurisa, Udala Jazzy number 11, Tembam Chishizwani. Bafethu ari bua ka ditjafela bona kana go for the first time in a very long time.
Yes,
that you find a lethal striker in Forster. Now, if it was according to me, Forster really reminds me of Benny Mngqithi. I think after a long time rather, we have really found a player of Benny Mngqithi standard.
Yes,
and that boy has got potential to play football anywhere in the highest league in the world. And I do believe in my PhD analysis and views that he will play the Champions League and will really perform and the world will know him. Top. This is what I'm talking about. Come, itla from deep, collect the ball, allow your wingers about that. He said, boxing. That's how he scored. He allowed us to, in fact, the boy is good. He's got strength. He's got the height. You understand? He's got hunger. Yeah. You can tell he's an educated striker.
What's an educated striker?
Like it's people who knows when to position themselves, when to run to the box. You understand how to score even in the most tight places. Shaba bolo e korang. How sa tsebo kana na ka re ke tap in. But u shebo re ha mokwana mo fa yona tlisa go di mo etsang. U sebedisa strength, le power to just it looks like a tap in but it's not. It's hard. It's hard to position yourself to be in that position or even two defenders. Because what in between the midfielder who's going to strike you or the winger who's going to pass you and the both defenders. He just taps it in. It's a fluke. He comes from the left side. Left $1 million pass. We sharp at some pitching. Pass me the very same Mukwanekio, Ushavan the headlines, Obona the headlines. What's haba? What shock here? 65 minutes, Hugo Broos, let me surprise the world. The 29-year-old. I'm talking about a boy who made a difference 90 minutes plus. MTN 8. 90 minutes plus who create a controversial goal after communicating with the sniper himself, Mabaso. O etsang hape la boithu o khutla ka boithu o ilahlela ka hlomo mokokotlong wa mpa ya loto la Mabaso o ikhutlisa same time first come. Look at the run that he makes. Again, I'm still talking about MTN 80 that I was denied by the luxury battery. I'm still continuing ke PhD analysis. He makes $1 million run. He slows the run. He continues o runner in the same pace le ball. And then goalkeeper wa commit. There's a goalkeeper. There's a defender who's coming at the back of you. Side mirrors. Ushebanli keeper so defender rutla kopili will attack left. Why kwala yawa defender. To such a point that even the camera couldn't capture the defender. He was removed even out of the camera.
Of frame.
What he did, he even dribbled the Asrona defense.
The audience.
I mean, Hamutasheban lady pala 1-on-1 so. Pela Nashawan Lipalo. There's an oncoming defender at the back. The guy is so good. $1 million tackle. Ushapela mang relebohile mo Fukeng. Uikwalaka left. Just uikwalaka left to Mutuashi series. Hateta. Wa hopola hore kana my mother. O holele high re ke koro $1 million goal ra celebrate ra go kulung batho ba sala ba reng we validated the point ke santsane go jwetsa ka mfano left back ya rona Obrimudiba
yes
o etsang wa shukumisa o mona o etsang ke star quality of his own me out quality of his own o etsang o dladi mara Hugo Broos Bafethu we kopane tsentwe ke tshukana go ke tshore mang ke tshore Ronwen Williams. How many goals did he save? Even though we can say Mokoena is man of the match, but check at Ronwen Williams. This is what I'm talking about, class of his own. You understand? This is one thing that I've been saying and people were misunderstanding me. I said to you, how can Cheka today? He made around 3 crucial saves that could have resulted into a goal.
Yes.
You understand? And this is what I said, or why should he be nominated? Did he make many saves? But people couldn't really advocate or why did they nominated him. They nominated him because he can also play football. You understand? Like beside being a goalkeeper. Ay ba kenya ntwana engwe mfethu ba re dlala ko Sweden.
Ke feng?
Ay engwe ay mfethu that guy who touches the ball too. Ba re ke nka se ke totally mara something like ntwana el kala di kenya mang. Broos. Le Rooks.
Yes.
Mfethu Shapa, one touch.
Yeah.
I didn't need to. I hear a lot of people saying, yeah, you must take 10 years to see a player or ujwang. Why should we take 10 years? Understand? Why deny me the opportunity? I saw that boy at Trepa Bolo I won within a split of an eye, of a second. In fact, this guy is a star. Ushapa one touch. Hunali 2 or 3 defenders comfortably. So it's like Lutula Haila left, Lunali glue. Ukutesa pass. Mam Kutesa again. At a tough. In fact, immediately I stood up and clapped hand for that boy. He's a class. He's a class. Apparently, he's 22 years of age. Kita Kenya 10, abe 32. Ka football age. Let me congratulate Bafana. They really played very well.
Yes.
But again, I was also disappointed by the fans.
Why?
I mean, this is a world standard, world class country in South Africa.
Yes.
I mean, to see such nonsensical behavior as the president of all fans in the world, I really condemn that.
You do?
I really condemn that. Like it was, television time is very expensive, Meauti. I think I should make a lecture to fans and really teach them how much is television time. For you to get inside the field, over disturb. While when in your own field of work, no one disturbs you.
Eish.
You understand? In front of the camera, you're humiliating us.
You are.
That's very serious humiliation. I was so disappointed. Old people jumping back in a kontong. I mean, you cannot do this at this level. This is the hooliganism that we are forever talking about. How about Rubu and Tubar talk about football? Not understanding this is the business of football. This game could have been robbed from us. You understand?
Yes.
I mean, if the referee had decided against in favor of the safety, these guys from Congo, the game could have been stopped. And understand, we undermining the hard work of Hilman Mkelele, Lebo Dr. Hugo Broos.
Hey.
Deny these guys who Grand Kekane, the chance and the quality of winner this game, got this magnitude. You understand? Because our behavior now is killing that. But I mean, what do you say about Mama Joy? On a national TV, camera ke umshebile. U behave like some Mama Joy king into a Mama Joy man. On national TV, I was so disappointed. I was disappointed. But now we're talking about someone who's world-renowned fan. Upaisa didn't top in front of the camera, me Audi. Maybe this is one of the reasons when she left Orlando Pirates, we started winning cups. Maybe she needed to go. I mean, we cannot be having such behavior, man. I don't mean to condemn it, but I was just disappointed after seeing that clip. It's so disappointed, but anyway, I don't want to overdwell on that, but it's so disappointed for me. Steve just something. Ever since I became the fan that I am, there are even habits, my personal habits that I stopped. You understand? In realizing, I represent many people. I represent a lot of young stars. You understand? Because we are legends. But in passing in a controversial man and controversial moment, whatever I'm allowed. I'm the only fan who's more allowed to talk about anything about football and even outside of football. I was watching the interview with Jabupule Shavul. He was asked if he's a legend or what. Ariana, he's not a legend. We talk about a legend. I think our soccer legends have been bullied so much into even believing that after contributing so much into football, they are made to believe that they are not legends of the game. Jabupule is a legend of the game and has inspired many soccer stars to be whoever they became. Forget about whatever his life that he has lived, but he has owned up to that.
Yes.
But we judge him more and mostly about how he plays in the field of play.
Exactly.
But for anyone, and I'll never shy away from it, Bulinda Buthelezi, and to talk to Jabu Pule Bamujwetso, that is not a legend. I mean, these are the people who infiltrate that mentality to say, in fact, we are tired of celebrating people when they are no more.
Yes.
We don't want to do that. Harabatu who celebrated the graves Sabatu. We need to celebrate our legends. We'll never become great as a country if we want to celebrate people that are far from us. I'm not saying we shouldn't, but why not respect Ushavul? The boy was gifted a class of his own during his prime. You understand? We need to, regardless of whatever that they do or yes, it happened. But he ends up, I felt that he ends up feeling that I'm not a legend. Because of what? Because how people, I mean, the things that Jabu Pule did, they can never be undone. In fact, Jabu Pule no in Nashapapa to the kitchen, he won cups. Some people became great even by just trying to emulate him. He's a class. You know why one of the things that makes the likes of Jabu Pule, they are not great, is because we judge people. Jabu Pule is class, was class, very gifted. And for him not to have the strength and courage after being discouraged by bullies who continue to bully our legend. In fact, we've got legends in South Africa. You understand? Rena le bopapiso thwane. You understand? Rena le bothando ka ising Khuboni. You understand? We've got many. Eskel, Jabulani Mendu. We've got Manqoba. We've got people to look after. We've got Thando Mngomeni.
Yes.
Yeah, Thabo Mngomeni.
Yes.
You understand? We've got legends. We need to celebrate our people and embrace them with love and care, and not judge them according to smaller things that they would do. You know, it really killed me, to be honest. And as the only fan with a PhD of being a fan, I want to tell you, Jabu Pule, that you are a legend. It will take another lifetime after another to find a class of your standard. That's why even in the history of books, it's a football. You fall around one of the best legends, who is a Kaizer Chiefs. And I will never shy it away from you. You understand? Just because we want to judge people, because people are friendly, Jabu Pule is a legend. He won cups. That's why he was a machine operator. You wake him up at the way, he would come and deliver. Who does that? I mean, there are people who work hard to be great soccer stars, but they don't even achieve a portion of what he has achieved.
Yes.
And by so saying, I'm not trying to encourage such behavior. But what I'm saying is the boy was gifted. I mean, Teboho, for you to even play for a professional football, to be a professional footballer, it is a blessing. You understand? There are people who didn't even reach his level of achievement, but they were good in terms of football. So for us to make them feel this way, it's unfair. You understand? But anyway, man of the match waka ke tla ifa Lebogang Mokoena. What's it? Sa to ba slicer. Ba bulang batho ba in football. Ba bulang batho in my no ba Bulinda Buthelezi. Linda Buthelezi Mercedes Benz. He had the audacity to come against Jabu Pule. As a football, I'm talking about as a footballer, to tell him and give him and say he's not a legend. And today, no, he was a very good player. Not as that holding a midfielder Bafana during era of Dr. Kumar. A very good player, take nothing away.
Yes.
But we don't want such behavior from another player or from a former legend to another, oppressing someone into them feeling otherwise. You understand? Don't become
yes.
If you are saying Jabu Pule is not legend, who's a better deserving to be a legend
than Jabu Pule?
If it's not Jabu Pule? No, guys. Let's respect our own. Let's embrace each other, man. It's useless. But the game. Nah, come on, man, my friend. Game of the legends. Come on, my friend. Yeah, no man, such but feel hotel at game usana ko Bloemfontein, just that. Usual, we'll never shy from it.
o shapile ke kwali
ke kwalo monna o kwatela gore motho o janyana o tsoa ka bacon and eggs o filma ka meno ka di fork and knife o kwatela ntho come on gents
ke mang lebitso la o tie
Mercedes Benz doctor bono ke batlile ke re ngwana batho Dr. Khumola sa itsa neck 16 vulavala babe Linda Butelezi
Linda
ungazoyenza lento stop bullying our players mafethu kunenkomo eziningi bezidlala ibhola but they are celebrated and we don't want to mention them but bafethu you cannot say Jabu Pula system
Linda
come on bafethu hayi kanyana. By the way, we are anticipating Kaizer Chiefs again iyenze cup ya yona homemade trophy
Kufa Cup wayilaka lena
still
only big teams do those things man.
No, it's a very big team. But let me send my message to Kaizer Chiefs. To be honest, don't be too desperate to win cups. That's desperation. No, I'm even ashamed.
Is it not big team things?
No, it's just desperation to lift a trophy.
Damn.
No, it's just pure desperation.
Mahai said it's what big teams do.
No, Mahai, there's no reasoning there. Come on, No. What are the criteria for reaching that Kufe Cup? But anyway, we'll be there supporting them. But my point is, Buffett, don't act so. Why didn't you just say friendly? You even create a cup.
It had to be a cup.
Oh, you're jumpies until I'm vedu. Oh, you're jumpies. Oh, no, you can't be doing that.
Trophies are ribbon.
To even make a trophy. Bazame trophy ka Toyota. Bajilo lino wata uzama engwe.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. No, FIFA must intervene, gents. No, Chiefs is suffering from peer pressure.
Oh!
No, we'll never shy away. No, peer pressure. Refetsa winner MTN ke ba Kufe Cup.
Right, kama kuya MTN. Kaibona.
Le ba supporters telisa wa bona mo KG. But anyway, I will be there supporting them. These are my sons play football language. Congratulations, Kaizer Chiefs, because
I'm not. They'll win.
Are winning? No, but whatsoever. They would win if this was not a cup final. If it was just a friendly, Agibon Bato win.
It was sharp Marumo.
Not to say Marumo would be better than them, but they're
not winners.
They've got a phobia for cups. But anyway, congratulations to them for reaching the final without reaching. I don't know what makes them reach the final. I'm not saying I'm not next.
Chiefs.